got a call today about a cold complaint. We checked out the building automation. Side terminals are your inputs and outputs. Top left is 24, top right is your network connection. Then we just went upstairs. This is a Carrier unit, Rooftop unit. First thing, we just do a quick little visual inspection of the entire unit, a quick little walk around, make sure nothing out of the ordinary. Here we're just moving inside one of the panels. This is the condenser, and you can see electrical wiring there. From here, we opened up the main controls. As you can see, once we get there, these are your low voltage power, heating, cooling, and fan control. These are important and very similar to thermostat wiring you'll have in your home. I'll show a graphic of each of them right now, but first thing first is to check power to 24, so the R with your meter. For this scenario, I was not getting any 24 power. From here, we're attempting to trace the low voltage power source. This is the internals of the main controls. We have capacitor, a CT, another CT, a control board, and that beige square, that's your low voltage transformer. We use that to control low voltage power as well as power to the damper. But just video circling back, as you can see, there's also a second red for R. That is a circuit breaker. It's a safety in case there's an overamperage. It's usually 3 or 4 amps. For testing that transformer, we need to make sure there's 120 power coming into it. That's the yellow line. And we had 24 volts coming out of the red one. We did not have the 24 volts. From there, I knew we needed to have it replaced. After replacing the transformer, I came back and checked R with my meter, and I was in fact getting 24 volts AC. These were the next steps I did, and you can read along, but kind of just want to make sure nothing happens on startup. After we tested all the outputs, we came back down and tested all the inputs and made sure they were all getting accurate readings. And lastly, this is a picture of the controller in the room. It's looking good and heating up.